Hello everyone. As a prelude, I must say that this is dedicated to my students. I happen to be a professor by profession, and I was always fascinated as a student what would be the world when I would become, if at all, by default, a professor. And this is dedicated to my teachers, my students, which was penned a few years back. And the source is very simple. I am always charmed by the words, like you start with word and world. Just a simple change would make a magnificent difference. Like teacher and cheater, that started with this article. Charm and harm. So like that you can have just a letter here and there, a nudge here and there, and it would change everything. So thanks to cheater and teacher that this article I could read a few years back on Teachers' Day, because then I could afford, because being a professor, no one would reduce my marks in the exam. I am Hemant Patel. Why is it called a Teacher's Day? Well, it should be called a Cheater's Day. All the cheaters gathered and fervently declared it's an insult to us. Don't call the teachers even as cheaters. The teacher's president made his words heard by all. Look, he said, a teacher, a so-called teacher, never refers to his own material. He always snatches somebody else's work and puts it in his custody and delivers it as if it's his own. All the good ideas, all the punchlines, each and every illustration is somebody else's baby. On the top of it, for all his project work, dissertation or thesis work, he straightaway lifts the material from other fellow workers, stamps as his own, and is conferred upon a degree right up to PhD by calling it a PhD bibliography. A teacher starts cheating right from the day he gets his qualification. He advises his students to be punctual, but he seldom matches his entry with the designated time. He asks the students to sacrifice anything in the wake of studies, but works with an eye on his salary. He gives them knowledge, but does not give them jobs. As a student, he has always cursed why he was tortured by his professors. But see the irony, even a Sas will remember that she was a Bahu one day, but no such chance from a teacher. He will refuse to remember that he was a student even for one day. As a student, he had protested weekly and meekly against this so-called censorship, but now he himself is the censor board. How can you not call then a teacher as the biggest cheater? For he has cheated himself on his ideas, his views, and all his commitments. But the paradox is that a teacher bows before his own teachers and offers respect. That may baffle everyone amongst us. Oh, it's simple. Even thief has a guru. That the guru is revered by a disciple does not absolve him of his charges. But then everyone now turns out to be a cheater. Look at the parents. They have cheated on their offsprings. They had vowed not to listen or see the news as kids, for their parents used to neglect them due to news. Now in their turn, they are glued to news and turning a deaf ear to their kids' curiosities. Look at the politicians. They have been nonchalantly cheating their electorals, election after election. The case of actors is no different. While on screen, they are playing the role of deities, supermen and super cops. They are being looted by goons or getting fatally hurt by extended metal pieces of a table. But they are no different than gods, as gods have been cheating the asuras during the Samudra Manthan. Not to mention the devotees being taken for a ride due to their immense faith, awaiting ages after ages to take avatar on this poor earth. Then it was unanimously decided that all will be allowed to cheat anywhere, but teachers will be allowed to cheat only in their educational premises as a part of their profession. Hence, a teacher does not cheat in real life outside the college campus, whereas anybody else can cheat anywhere without being feared to be called as a cheat. So a Teacher's Day is then to be celebrated as a mark of the understanding between the cheaters and the teachers, outsiders and insiders, pertaining to the academic areas of campuses. Long live Teachers' Day. Thank you.